On your side with ways to protect yourself. Bria.
You signed up for jury duty or some type of federal program and you didn't pay your fine to do it, and now you're in default. You got to wire us $1,000 or we're going to send these folks to come after you.
This is just one example Chief Marcus Wood says scammers are using on unsuspected callers to get their next payday.
Spoof is what they call it. Spoof those numbers of real law enforcement agencies. And then they'll use a name of a real law enforcement person. I've had people to use my name and say, hey, and for people, and it doesn't even have to be elderly people, but for people, they will think, oh, whoa, the chief is coming to get me.
And Chief Wood says if they were coming, they wouldn't call you about it. And Ken Atkinson agrees. He spent decades in law enforcement and says calls like that from police departments don't happen.
In that 32 years, I can't recall a single incident where we ever called anyone to tell them they had a warrant or requested money over the phone. So that should be a red flag immediately when you get a call from someone saying they were the police department requesting money, because police departments just don't call people and request money. It just doesn't happen.
And Atkinson says these scammers will also pretend to be one of your loved ones.
If you have anyone, friend, family, that you get a phone call that supposedly is from them or something concerning them, then obviously listen to the phone call, get the details. But immediately I would hang the phone up and call this particular person who they say they are.
Yeah, studies show the average person receives more than 3 phone calls and about 2 text messages daily from scammers. This is why law enforcement says everyone should be on high alert when it comes to these scammers, because if you do send them money, more than likely you will not get it back. Reporting live, I'm Bria Chapman, WBRC, Fox 6 News on your side.